Just had a little bit of rain. I think today's the 13th. I don't know. I'll have to check. I'll put it in the title. Thought I'd do a little looky-loo at the garden, at least this side. My patches of sweet corn. This is my reminder not to plant before June 1st. These are all doing very well. Beautifully green. Cultivated them this week. You can see it's got a little bit of whatever coming back up. That'll get hit once more with the cultivator. Should do all right. Back there beyond the barn, got some more small sweet corn, and then that's Indian corn and a row of potatoes. But doesn't look too bad from this standpoint. I like it when it's dark green like that. Leaves opened up, take in the water. Very dramatic skies. Look at that. And the oak tree back there. Beautiful. And my neighbor's trees there blocking the ugly battery factory. This year, look at that okra. These 4 rows of okra. These 2 were planted a little bit early in May. Those 2 in June. Looks like I have some weeding to do back there. Gorgeous. They are potting, so I'm gonna have to pick those. That's a row of Roma tomatoes, I think 33 plants worth. A neighbor asked if she could plant those, so she put them in. I've got a few plants of squash here. 2 short rows of green beans. 1, 2, 3. That's the 3rd planting. They finally decided to come up. Had some soil temperature problems and some bad seed, I think. Rupp Seed sent me some good seed. We already got 5 pounds off the first picking on what that first planting was. This stuff right here is purslane. Vertiligus is what some people call it. So, at any rate, yeah, looking pretty good. My squash has been getting stepped on by something. So I had 6 plants here. I'm down to 4. Oh no, I had more than 6 plants. Anyway, there's one that's down. These are all lemon drop squash. Those will be all right. I gotta run when I get home. I gotta run the tiller through, take out the weeds that are in there. Somebody was supposed to come and pick the purslane, but didn't. So that's this side. I don't know if you can see on the other side over there. That's first planting sweet corn. I'll take a picture of that and add it onto this, but it's not doing so hot. I think too wet and planted too cold. So that's it.